Hello and welcome back to KeallaRD. Let's start! Today I have a special video for you because it's a small surprise for you and for Allah as well, because I was ordering something and she don't know what is inside.
I have no idea,
Yes.
but it's so big.
Yeah, it's really big. And before we start, there is no advertising. We was buying it on ourselves. We paid for ourselves and didn't go there for free.
I don't know what that is.
So-
I don't know what to say.
I will bring it and you will see what Allah mean with it so big.
It's so big. And so heavy.
Ta-da! As you can see, I'm something like 180.
170.
And you see, it's really big.
It's so big and it's so heavy and I have no idea what it is.
Yes. You want to
it
find it
chinchilla?
out? No. No chinchilla.
Okay.
So we will unbox it and see you after we are open that, because it takes a little bit of time to get it out.
Let's see how we'll open that.
Yes.
Here you go.
I open it here. Look, here, it's open already.
Always me have to open. Wow.
So many things, I didn't expect that.
What's that?
That's a heavy thing. A box with nothing inside.
It's just empty box. It's seriously nothing else. It's empty box.
Yeah. Maybe that is not shaking around.
As usual, I have the heaviest part.
I have the heaviest part and I have the light one.
So much light on first. This is super heavy.
Which one do you want to open first?
This one.
This one, the heavy one? Careful.
Wow!
I
Is it
didn't
like for professional studio?
Wow, I didn't expect that it's that big.
It's like for professional studio.
There's more inside.
Yes, I see it.
Look, wow, that's the back side.
There are many things in there.
It's a power thing for the light.
Oh, what about this?
Yeah.
There are many things in there.
Yes. Wow. it's still a chalk.
It's huge.
But the funny thing is, there's an app what you can use for like controlling the light.
Oh, wow, that's cool. We can go like that.
Yeah. But only that.
Wow! I like it. Oh, it's also a tripod. The same
Yes.
as the other one.
Yes. You have to here and then push it down.
Wow. Wow! That's so cool.
And then
Oh, and up here is something else.
it's like
Oh,
that it's safe.
this is super heavy. Where do we put it?
So big.
Huge.
And you can lift it as you want.
Wow. We have very, very, very high ceilings in our apartment, but it goes almost up to the
You
end.
can do that.
Hello.
And you don't really see that, but on the back you have like two switches, like to the right it's for battery and to the left is for when you have an adapter. It's written there.
Wow. The battery is
light.
full 50% dimmer.
Yeah, you can switch here like higher. It's now 80%. 10. That's 10%.
That's
That's
10%.
20,
Wow.
30, 40, 50. And here you can see it has a Bluetooth, and also you can control yourself it.
This is really cool. Yeah, so let's check how it look with us, not
Yes.
it looking at you.
Yeah. Okay, we switch it short. Turn it on. Okay, turn it on.
Wow, do you put it in 100?
Yes.
Yeah, do a little bit less.
Yeah, it's now 70%, and I don't know where Allah is, so I have to do it myself alone, because Allah was vanished. Looks so amazing. Can you tell? Yeah, I'm alone now because Allah was vanished, and it's so amazing to see the light. We have separated normally like three kinds of light. And now we have only one light on and it's 70%.
I have new home.
You need home?
Yes.
Okay, good to know. But I'm still shocked and it's really cool.
My new home is cool.
Yeah, that's you. Yeah, so I hope it was nice to see that kind of surprise. I'm still shocked.
Okay.
Say goodbye. Hope the unboxing video was nice this time. And see you next time. Bye.
Bye bye, I'm going home.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and see you next time.
Bye bye, I'm
Bye
going
bye.
home.
Go home. Bye. Party! Allah's away. Party!